I use this platform called Lovable, right? Lovable.dev. I just can't stop talking enough about them because it's just all my dreams come true with this platform, really. And that's when you know you have a good company, when someone talks about it like that. So essentially I found this thing and then I tried to, it's basically like vibe coding, right? You just type in what you want and then it gives you, and then from there on, you go through an iteration process of, you know, adjusting colors and, you know, the structure of the site and all of this, right? So I decided that I wanted to host my own course on my own site, right? And I was like, all right, give me like a backend system where people can log in, my like customers, and they can watch the course, and it did it, you know. And I like figured it all out. So now I don't need to use like Kajabi or anything like this. It's like, why would I? When I can have my own site where I can host my own videos, I can just use something like Wistia, for example, you know, to host the videos. That's what I use now. So I record a bunch of, you know, videos. I upload it to Wistia. I grab the embed code. I put it to Lovable, and I'm like, okay, build me. This is the course structure. Now integrate these videos onto my site. So now when someone buys, right, they buy it on my site, they check out via Stripe, it's all gets integrated. So when the purchase goes through, they get an email automatically to create their accounts on my site. They change the password. I have like a profile thing. And then, yeah, essentially, they get, let me actually show you, instead of like, instead of just like talking about it, I'll actually show you. All right, can you see this? You can, right? So basically what you do is you have this bar here, right? And then you essentially, this is my whole thing that I was building, right? And then you tell it what you want here. So this is me embedding the lessons from Wistia that I uploaded to Wistia. So essentially it creates these different pages, right? And I have a page here called Program Slug. I don't know why it's called a slug, but this is the course, Affiliate Marketing. And inside the course, it built this whole thing, right? So like this is all built by me. You know what I mean? So all of these lessons, all of these, like, you know, the whole shebang. And then what I had, a problem was that I had was I was building everything for desktop version, and then when everything was ready, the mobile version was like completely crooked. You couldn't even see the video, right? It was not optimized. So then I was like, hey, the mobile version doesn't work. And I was like, okay, let me fix it. It took like maybe 2 minutes or so, and then it completely rebuilt the mobile version so it looks like this. Now I have, like, you click here, it's lessons, right? You can click on any lessons, keyword research basics, you know. Module 7. And yeah, it's just the whole course is there, and this is integrated with Wistia. And then people here can have like my programs, like it takes them to their profile where they can upload their profile picture, their name, all this, right? They can reach out for help, etc., etc. So this is crazy, you guys. Like, you don't need to have basically anything. You can just build the whole thing just with Lovable. So I'm planning on, you know, building more courses. I'll be integrating onto my site, and it will just all come together very, very nicely.